Hello students, here I am with this here question paper, and I will not take too much time. Just I am going to tell you the answer of section A only. Okay, and as you can say, this is the answer key. So I am going to tell you the answer of all these question from section A, and I hope you have done well in the programming section. Programming was also not every program, each and every program was good. It was not so difficult. I hope you have done well. So I will not discuss the program here in this video. Just I'm going to tell you in very short period of time. I will tell you the answers of each and every question from section A only. So you can match your answer and you can calculate your marks. Okay, as per that in the section A. Okay, as you know, section A is of 40 marks. Okay. So listen, question number one. Just I will tell you the answer only. You can check your answer or whatever you have written in the examination. Okay. So I hope see the first question. Consider the above picture and choose the correct statement from the following. The answer of this will be polygon is the class. This is the class, and these are the objects of the class. Okay, so you can see the answer of this is C. Okay, you supposed to write okay whatever you have written, but okay, the answer of this is C. Polygon is class and the pictures are objects. Okay, now going to I will not explain, just I will tell you the answer. Just you, I think this time you want to know the answer only. There is no need of concept knowing the concept. So x equal to 98. Okay, 98 is the ASCII value of capital B. You know 98 is the ASCII value of capital B. Okay, so char x will be converted into char means 98 is ASCII value of which character? Capital B. Sorry, small b. So answer of this will be small b. The value of ch is small b. This is the answer. A. Answer is correct. Now the output of the statement concentration index of T. So first index of T is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is 6. The answer is 6. Okay. Just a minute. Okay. Okay, I think it's clear. You can check your answer as per whatever you have written. First index of T will get from this concentration index of T. The first in T is coming at index number 6 first time. Okay. Now question number 4. The access specifier that gives the least accessibility is private. The answer D is correct. Okay. Now the output of the statement. The output of the statement talent dot compare to genius. Uh, it will return the difference of ASCII values of T and G. So if you'll go through that, if you'll find the ASCII value of T and G, there is difference of 11, so it will be an ASCII value of T will be more than G, so it will be 11. Okay. Which of the following escape sequence character in Java? Slash n. This slash T. This is the correct answer. Escape sequence character is followed by this backslash, not by this. Okay, so this answer is correct. Means B answer is correct of this. Okay. Answer B. Okay, coming to the next question. If A is greater than B and B is greater than C, then the largest number is the value of A is greater than B and B is greater than C, but A is greater than B also. So the answer of this will be A. A is the largest number. Okay. Then what is the output of the mat.seal 5.4, mat.seal 4.5? The mat.seal 5.4, the nearest integer more than 5.4 is 6 and the nearest integer more than 4.5 is 5. Okay, so it's 5.0, 6.0. So it will be 11.0. This answer is correct. Answer B is correct, 11.0. What is the method to check whether the character is a letter or digit? It is letter or digit char. This option is correct, not this. Both are looking similar, but there is difference. This option is correct. Is letter or digit requires a character as argument. Okay. So it's question number 9. Now question number 10. The extension of Java source code file is the source code means the file, the program which you type, that is called source code. So the extension is .java. The extension is Java here. Okay. This answer is correct. And the number of bytes occupied by the character array of 4 rows and 3 columns. 4 rows, 3 columns means there are how many? 12 characters. 4 rows and 3 columns means how many characters are there? 12 characters. So each character occupies 2 bytes. So total 12 characters. So it will occupy 24 bytes. This option is correct. Option B is correct. 24 bytes. Which of the following data type cannot be used with the switch case? Double. Please remember this. Int can be used. Int, char, string. It can be used. Double cannot be used. Please remember that. Only byte, short, int, char, and a string type of variables can be used in switch. Please remember that. So answer of this is. His question is what? Which of the following data type cannot be used? It is written cannot be used, so it is double. Answer is double. Okay. Now next question. Question number 12. Which of the following is entry control loop? And for loop and while loop both are entry control loop. So here you can see the answer B, 1 and 2. Answer B is correct. Okay. Method which reverse a given number is. Uh, you know, answer of this will be impure method, because impure method is used to change the value of state of an object. So since this function is reversing a number, a given number, so it is doing some changes, so we can say it is impure method. Okay, reverses. If the name of the, as per the option, it will be impure method. Okay, now coming to the next question. If the base of the class is yellow, if the name of the class is yellow, what can be the possible name for its constructor? You know, constructor name is same as the class name. So it should be exactly same, yellow. So this answer is correct. Oh, sorry. Okay, yellow is correct. Now 10. Last question of this question. Which of the following mathematical methods return only an integer? Which of the following mathematical function returns only an integer? So here it is round. Please remember this function. Only this function returns integer type of value. Okay. So this is about all about objective question. MCQs are just like this. You can check your answer. Okay, this many only. Okay, I think I missed any question. Oh, some question I forgot to insert here. Just a minute. Okay, now question number 16. See here. Question number 16. Invoking the method by passing by an object of a class is termed as call by reference. This answer is correct. Okay. And then the correct statement to create an object named mango of class fruit. Fruit is the name of the class. Mango is the name of the object. New fruit. This is the correct answer. B. Okay. Then here this question, a static method can access static and instance variable. This is true. Static variable can be accessed only by static method. This is false. So answer will be B. Okay. What is the output of the Java code? The output of the Java given code is the C. This is 0. This is at index number 1. This is at index number 2. System dot out dot println color 2. Color 2 means 0, 1, 2. What we have at color 2? Violet. The length of this is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The length is 6. So answer will be A. Okay. So I think it is clear. Now question number 20. Here which of the following statement method returns only an integer? This I've already solved. Again I'm solving it. The answer is round function. Okay. I think section A, question number 1 I have solved. I have put all the answers. Now listen, going through the other questions. Now question number 2. Question number 2, these are the short answers question. I will tell you the answers only. Don't worry. I'm not going to take too much time. Okay. So here we go. The Java expression for this will be for this mod symbol we use abs function math dot abs in bracket a plus b. Okay, put in the square in a bracket upon, okay, again in bracket math dot sqrt in bracket a into a plus b into star symbol, this b into b, then this bracket semicolon. This is Java expression for this. Okay, I hope it is clear. I'm writing in as much as I can write. Okay, now here this solution of this will be 4. Answer output of this will be 4. I can solve it. You can see x equal to x plus, should be written like this, x equal to x plus. If you solve it, the answer will be 4. Okay, output will be 4. Okay, if you have confusion, you can ask, then I will reply you. Okay, now this one, see this one. Three. Now it said to rewrite this using, rewrite the following do while program segment using for loop. As you know, in for loop, initialization, condition, updations are written at one place. So we can write like this: for x equal to 10, comma y equal to 20, semicolon, x is less than or equal to 20, semicolon, x plus plus, comma y plus plus. Initialization, condition and updations can be written together like this in for loop, then opening bracket. Only this much is required, and you can put semicolon here. You can write like this also, or you can write just by you can write only opening closing bracket. Both are correct. Nothing is left in the loop now. So this is also correct. You can put semicolon here, or you can write just no need of the semicolon. Only you can write opening closing bracket, because nothing is left in the loop. So you can write opening closing bracket without any statement as a empty loop, or as a null loop. You can say there is nothing in the body. You can write like this, or you can put semicolon here. Okay, initialization, condition, updation, all you have written with together like this. Okay, now and then at last, system dot complete program should be written system dot out dot println x into y. Okay, if you have two solution I told, once you can write semicolon here, so then no need of this opening closing bracket, and if you are not writing semicolon here, this opening closing bracket should be here. Okay, then give the output of the following, say how many times the loop will be repeated. This loop will be repeated 0 times. 0 times. 0 times. You know, x is 10, 10 is greater than 20 condition, false. Loop chalega hi nahi. Okay, and only this line is in the loop. Only this line is the loop, because there is no opening closing bracket. So only this line is in the loop. Since the loop is not executing single number of times, single time, so control will go to there. This is not inside the loop, because there is no opening closing bracket. It means there is only one line. Only this line is in the loop. So since the loop is not repeating, so control will go outside the loop and it will reach here. And x into 2 means x will remain 10. So 2 into 10, the output will be 20. Output will be what? 20. 0 times 20. Only this you supposed to write. Okay, here double dot pass double s1 is string type 45.50 will be converted into double type. So d1 will be 45.50 d1. Okay, in numeric format. d2 will be 54.50. 54.50. If you add both, it will be 100.00. Okay. So d1 plus d2 will be 100.00, and if you're typecasting it with int, the value which will be stored into x will be 100 only. As you know, in integer there is no fractional part, so it will be only 100. So the value of x will be 100. 100 is the correct answer. Okay, now coming to this. And now question number 6 here. This is the situation. This is the elements of first row, second row, third row, and fourth row. I'm showing you here 4, 3, 2. Okay, 7, 8, 2. Okay, then 8, 3, 10. 1, 2, 9. So the order of what is the order of the array? It is the order of the array is how many rows? 4 rows and 3 columns. So 4 cross 3 is the order. Sorry, the order of the matrix is what? 4 cross 3. 4 rows and 3 columns. Okay, you can see here. And it is said it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2. So multiplication of x00. X00 means x00 means this value 4 into x22 means 2, 2 means this value. So 4 into 10, 4 into 10 will be what? 40. The answer will be 40 of this. Okay. Now question number 6, differentiate between boxing and unboxing. Okay. So the automatic process of conversion from primitive type to an object of wrapper class is called boxing, and vice versa of this is called unboxing. Definitions I think you know. If you know then you have written, I hope. Automatic conversion of primitive type into the object of wrapper class is called boxing, and not the process of conversion, automatic conversion of object of wrapper class into primitive type is called unboxing. Okay, this is the difference. Now the following code to compare strings is compiled. See, here it is said one error is coming. Incompatible type int can't be converted to boolean. You know the here the it is said identify the statement which has the error. Identify the statement which has the error in this statement. This is the statement in which we have this code has error. So you have to write the statement which has error is, then you're supposed to write this, and it can be corrected by instead of writing boolean, you know, compared to function is the return type of compare to function is int. So instead of boolean, you'll write int. So you can recorrect it. You're supposed to write complete expression again like this: compare to x equal to, here I'm writing int x equal to a dot compare to b. Okay. Now the output, and they're asking for the output also. Write the correct statement. So correct statement I have written. Give the output of the correct segment. Output हमें लिखना है. Output of the program segment. Output will be what? You know, compare to function, compare character by character, and where the first mismatching is found, it returns the difference. So here nothing is to for mismatch king, then there is no character left. So in this case, it will return the difference of their difference of their length, difference of their length. So the length of this is 4, the length of this is 5, 6, 7, the length of this is 7, and the length of this is 4. So 4 minus 7 means minus 3. The output will be minus 3. Here minus 3 will be printed. Output is what? Minus 3. Okay, now 9. Here you can see class name is temp, and they have defined two constructor, one non-parameterized, another is parameterized constructor they have defined. Okay. Now here the question is what concept the oops is depicted in the above program with two constructors. This is called polymorphism. Constructor overloading, and actually it is the concept of constructor overloading, but they are asking for the oops concept. You know, constructor overloading, uh, through constructor overloading or function overloading, we implement the object-oriented principle that is called polymorphism. So answer of this will be polymorphism. Polymorphism. This oops principle is represented by this. Okay, and what is the output of the method main? Now method main, see, uh, we are calling the function temp, creating the object. So here which constructor will be called? First one, in which we have stored a equal to, where the value of a is 10. So memory will be allocated for a, and the 10 will be stored in that, and the value will be stored into t. The reference will be stored into the object t. Again we are creating another object. This time we are passing 30. So this parameterized constructor will be called 30 will go to z, and the value of z will be stored into a. So A will have 30 and the address will be stored into X. X will have the address of this location. Now if you are calling print function by T, print function if you are calling by T, so here if you are printing A, so the value of A of this A will be printed because this A belongs to this T. So 10 will be printed, so here the output will be 10. And for this, if you are calling by X, this print function if you are calling by X, A of X will be printed, that is what 30 here. So output will be 10 and 30. Okay, here the answer of this will be 10 and 13, two different lines. Okay, primitive data types are built in data types and whatever it is, to which package the character and boolean classes belong. Java.lang package. Wrapper classes belong to Java.lang package. Okay, I write the statement to access the scanner class in the program. Just you used to write in each and every program, import java.util.scanner semicolon. Okay, so this is all about section A. And in section B also the programs were good, not so difficult. I hope you have attempted. The question of the pattern was as usual, nothing. They have not given any difficult question. Okay, even selection sort question was there and one 2D array question was there. As per the syllabus, and nothing is unexpected in section B also. I hope you have done that. And so wishing you for better result. You can match your answer, and if you any doubt you can ask through the comment section. So when you will get the result, please update your marks also that time. For this video, thank you. This much only. Thank you for watching this video, and uh, all the best for next papers. Okay, thank you. Bye to all.